Hey, Karen.
Hi.
How's it going?
Good. Is this taking voice now?
We got voice now, yeah.
Okay.
So, yeah, see these high-end cameras here.
Excited.
So, yeah, we're going to skydive today.
Yep.
Up in that beautiful sky, huh? It'll be a little chilly up there, but we'll get some gloves on. It'll be a lot of fun.
Okay.
So, what's the occasion?
Just something to cross off my bucket list.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. And who'd you come out here with today?
My coworker.
Oh, yeah?
Marjorie. Uh-huh.
Okay. Hey, coworker. What's going on?
Hey, what's going on?
How you doing?
They're fine.
Yeah, you ready to do this?
Yes.
All right,
I
cool.
am.
Anybody that's not here with you today, you want to give a shout out to when this thing goes on Facebook tonight, YouTube?
Hi, Mom, Dad, family, friends.
Okay.
Told you I'm crazy. No.
Well, if you're crazy, that makes me really messed up. So, all right, honey. Well, we're going to be throwing you on that airplane here in about 10 more minutes, and about
Okay.
20 minutes later, we'll be throwing you out of it.
All right.
We'll see you up there.
Down on your right knee. And then we're gonna go, oh my god, fall out there. Hop on out here with me. As soon as we do that, arch like crazy. Try to keep me in the boat with your heels. Wait for you to tap you on the shoulders, let go of the harness. If we don't do it in exactly that order, we will die. No pressure.
Thanks for that.
Spread my wings, time to fly. One step out, all it takes for me to touch the sky. So amazing, so liberating. 12,000 feet, AGL, so breathtaking. Belly down, box me now. 4 minutes of pleasure without any spark of distraction around. State of mind, euphoria, wish it could last forever. From this day on, nothing can stop us from getting back together.
Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah. Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah. I love the sky, baby. 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 I love the sky, sky, baby.
What'd you think? You liked it?
Yeah, that was sweet.
What was your favorite part?
jumping out.
Getting out of the plane, huh?
Yeah.
Good job on holding your goggles on there too. I noticed them coming up. So.
Yeah.
Well, take that off and let's get a couple pictures. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Welcome back to Earth.
Excellent job.
That means I gotta go back to work.